Most men don't realize just how powerful their hands can be when it comes to a woman's pleasure. With the right touch, fingers alone can take her all the way to orgasm. Why? Because fingers are flexible. They can bend, change angles, adjust pressure, and move in ways no toy ever could. When used with care and intention, your hands become incredibly precise and intimate tools. Hi, I'm Dr. Christian, a men's sexual health specialist. In this guide, I'll walk you through a step-by-step, respectful way to use your hands that makes your partner feel safe, desired, and deeply connected to you. Before anything else, there are two absolute musts. 1. Consent. Ask her directly and openly. Do you want me to touch you here? Keep checking in with her throughout. Confidence and respect are deeply arousing. 2. Preparation. Trim and smooth your nails carefully. Wash your hands with warm water and soap, making sure to clean under your nails. Remove any jewelry. Keep an unscented, water-based lubricant nearby. Clean hands and good lube help prevent discomfort, irritation, or micro tears. Arousal for most women isn't a switch that flips on instantly. It's a slow buildup that involves the whole body. Start far from the genitals. Kiss her lips, her neck, her collarbones. Let your hands glide down her back and along her thighs. The closer you get to her inner thighs, the slower your pace should become. With her clothes still on, rest your palm gently over her vulva for a few seconds, then lift it away. Trace the edges of her underwear with your fingertips. This teasing, the light back and forth without rushing, increases blood flow to her clitoris, labia, and vaginal opening. It heightens sensitivity and makes every touch that follows feel electric. Start gently, over the underwear first. Don't rush. Take your time to let her get used to your touch. Once she clearly says yes or gives you an unmistakable signal, then, and only then, move to bare skin. Use just your fingertips to trace the outline of her outer lips and the inside of her thighs. Think of it less as doing something and more as inviting her body to open up. In the beginning, avoid touching the clitoris directly. Instead, trace around the hood lightly, soft circles, subtle side-to-side motions, or smooth oval shapes. The key is to be light and consistent. Pay attention to her breathing, the way her hips move, or small sounds she makes. Those are the green lights telling you you're on the right track. Every woman's body is different, but most prefer steady, rhythmic motions rather than something random. Slow circles around the clitoral hood, up and down, or gentle figure eights are often a great place to start. If she seems to like more surface contact, use 2 fingers together. If she responds more to precision, keep it to a single fingertip. And don't guess, ask. Simple, low-pressure questions like softer or firmer, or faster or slower. Make everything feel more connected and safe for her. Even when she's wet, that doesn't always mean she's ready for penetration. Ask her clearly, do you want me inside? If the answer is yes, add some lube. Always. Then start with 1 finger, slowly. Let her body adjust to the sensation. Don't thrust. Glide in, pause, let her breathe, and follow her pace. Fingers are great because they can explore angles, not because of speed or force. Gentle, come-hither movements work best. Soft, curious, patient. Focus around 1 to 2 inches in toward the front wall. That spongy texture you might feel, that's where many women are most sensitive. This is not about pushing harder, it's about listening to how her body responds. If she leans into it, you're on the right path. If she tenses up, stop, ease back, or return to external touch. And don't forget your other hand. It's not just decoration. A hand on her stomach, her hip, or using your thumb for clitoral stimulation can create a blended sensation that feels deeper and more intense. What matters most isn't technique for technique's sake. It's reading her, responding to her, and making her feel completely safe in your hands. If she wants more fullness, you can gently slide in 2 fingers together, well lubricated, always. Keep them curved slightly so they stay in contact with the front wall of the vagina. Think small controlled motions, soft arcs, or that slow, come here movement. Meanwhile, your other hand can keep stimulating around the clitoral hood. In these moments, consistency matters more than intensity. As she gets closer, her body will tell you, hips pushing into your hand, heavier breathing, soft sounds turning into louder ones. When you find the spot and rhythm that makes her melt, don't change it. If she says right there, treat it like sacred ground. Stay exactly there until she finishes. Many orgasms are lost because a man shifts too early. Here are a few techniques many women love. Hood strokes. Make a gentle V with 2 fingers and glide the clitoral hood up and down, never harsh or sudden. Outer to inner wave. Move your hand from her outer thighs to inner thighs, then labia, then back out. This keeps the buildup smooth and avoids overstimulation. Pressure hold. Place your warm palm over her vulva with steady pressure. It's grounding and soothing, especially between peaks. Angle shift. A small pillow under her hips can change the angle, making the front wall easier to reach and more sensitive. And of course, short nails, clean hands, and plenty of lube are non-negotiable. If you ever move from anal to vaginal play, wash or change gloves, always. If she feels burning or pain, stop. Add lube, go slower, or return to external touch. Sharp pain is never something to push through. After she climaxes, don't just pull away, stay soft. Let your touch ease down with her body. Gentle strokes along her ribs, stomach, or hair can make her feel deeply cared for. Even a glass of water can say, I see you. I'm here. And later, ask her one simple question. What did you like most? That kind of feedback is better than any technique guide. Remember, not every woman orgasms from penetration, and that's completely normal. Some love clitoral stimulation only, others enjoy both. What matters is that you observe, ask, and really listen. Pleasure isn't just physical. When a woman feels safe, desired, and unhurried, her body responds beautifully. Her muscles relax, blood flow increases, and everything feels more alive. Your hands can do incredible things when used with patience, precision, and genuine care.